Hello and welcome to another tutorial. My name is Andre Palmer. I'm representing Remla Productions, and in this series we have been teaching you how to make a dancehall beat from scratch. And in this video we're going to add a arpeggiated sound to kind of give a little bit more movement to the beat, and then we're going to arrange the beat now into a full song. So we're going to add a citrus. We've been using citrus a lot, but citrus has some interesting sounds, so we're going to continue to use it up. And what we're going to do is find a harp sound. So it has a harp. I'm going to use the bells. Try and find something different. And that is harp. Then what I want to do is just add something that will I don't feel that. Find something different. Kind of interesting. We're hearing song with the beat. Turn it down so it don't clash. Alright, sound louder than everything else. Let's listen. Click song and then press play. So that's basically it for that. We're going to add another basic melody line. It's just to kind of make the beat kind of sound a little bit now. Something to stand out so we can hum to. Let's find something. There's a sound that can stand out. I'm not going to clash with the song. New pattern called that lead. So what you want to know for your melody line is something that follows the scale of the song, which is what we've been using is C minor. And in the C minor scale, so we just want stuff that follows the notes within the scale so it sounds right and don't sound funny. So we're on pattern mode now, and then we're going to And to make it even more interesting, you can duplicate this and add something a little bit different at the end to make the turn around a little bit, you know what I mean, to when you go into the chorus. And that's the main melody. That's the adding a little arpeggio to make the beat more interesting. And that's basically how we're going. That's the part. That's the beat. That's how we're going to finish up. And then what we're going to do from here now in the next video is turning this loop into a full song. Thanks for watching. That's it. Hope you learned something. Hope this is useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.